You ready to go further? This is fucking fun, isn't it? And you know what? Let's give a funny reference in this to make it fun. Because we're a crazy. Get the fuck out of here, people. Come on. You turn fucking comedy into stupidity agenda. What the fuck is wrong with your heads? But we'll keep going. This is division. Division is used to find one or two numbers when their product and the other number are known. Dude, and this shows you literally this division section shows you how to tear apart any fucking movie and find their agendas. Let's keep going, right? To divide 18 by 3 means to find the number by which 3 must be manipulated to give the product 18. Oh shit. This also shows us how to fucking tear down the bullshit. What are they? The critics' fucking agenda bullshit, right? That is 18 divided by 3 equals 6. It shows you how to find the root. What's paying them to give that fucking critic response or to push that agenda? The divided is the number divided. It precedes the division sign. Oh, the agenda is the number divided. It precedes the division sign. Or, dude, I'm so sorry. This is so easy. It precedes the rating that, like, Rotten Tomatoes gives it, all that bullshit. This is how it all works, people. Pay attention. The divisor, the critic, is the number by which the dividend is divided. It follows the division side. The quotient is a required number. The quotient, the quota they get paid for, yeah. That's the required number. 112. It is clear that A plus A divided by A, Alcoholics Anonymous, equals 1. For A, X1. Oh, is that showing you that X is the same thing? Equals A. Look, and you still get A, X1 equals A, Alcoholics Anonymous. In the middle is X1. Twitter was just bought made X. You understand it now, right? And division by 0 is impossible. Thus, if we try to find the quotient of 5 divided by 0, let's let Q equal the quotient. We should have the relations 5 equals 0 times Q. But Q times 0 is 0 and not 5. So these cannot be say number to use Q. Dude, it's showing your math ain't mathing, motherfuckers. You're stupid. But we'll keep going. Division is indicated by writing a fraction. Those whose numerator is the dividend and whose denominator is the divisor. Oh, that's how you do your trailer, people. Is it starting to make sense now? The quotient of 7a divided by 3x is written 7a over 3x. Note, the line was used to indicate division long before the symbol divided by. Division is a product by a number. Yeah, by a person. Divide 6 times 8 by 2. Solution, 6 may be divided by 2. Huh. But whatever. 6 times 8 divided by 2 equals 6 times 8 divided by 2 or 24, but see, they do it that way, right? See, and that makes no sense because they only did half of the equation. And remember, where's that? Remember, first you must remove the percentages, and I forget which section that is. And how do you get a percentage? Oh yeah, division. That's how you get a percentage. But look, their math ain't mathing, right? Because 6 times 8 divided by 2, right? 6 divided by 2 equals 3, but they forgot to do 8 divided by 2 equals 4, so 2 times 4 is 12, not 24. So their math is not mathing, is it? Crazy. Hey, maybe, oh, there we go. But they're doing it the long way, right? I mean, because like I didn't read ahead, but they're doing it now, okay? So they just did, they left out the 6 part, did the 4 part, 24, and then they got to the answer I was saying, right? Note, to divide the product of 2 or more numbers by a number, divide only one of the factors by the number, but divide only one of them by it. And that's how they do it. What they do, I showed you, and that's literally how the fucking Al-Anon bitch book works, is that they separate you, divide this number by itself, divide that number by itself. Remember, each person has a social security number. You are a number. Divide that person by that number, divide that person by that number, and then put them back together so they feel like they don't match. Are you understanding the way that I broke down your equation? A relationship is called a controlled variable in that equation, and it really is implanting strategic management to control your life and fuck it up because they think they're little puppet master bitches. But I'm cutting the cords off and shoving it up their ass, ain't I? How fun is this, everybody? Because you're learning not to be controlled again. Fuck relationships, because that is a dividing factor in their math equation of society. Enjoy your day.